Hello everybody. Today I want to tell you about Neuronus Computing. You know how Microsoft works, that it has Office, Excel, Outlook. You know how Adobe works. It has Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere and more. Well, the Neuronus Computing has similar business model. We have NeuroMail, NeuroDrive, Resonance, NeuroCoin and much more tools. But here is one difference. Our tools help you to stay completely anonymous online and you control your data. Not us, not anyone else, but only you. Today I will show you some of those tools. I might not fit everything in this video, so if I don't cover something, wait for part number 2. Let's start. First tool for today is NeuroMail. It's encrypted email. When you send messages with NeuroMail, nobody can read. Not us, not hackers, not governments. It has AI tools built in, so you can rewrite your text, translate it, or get automated replies. And here is the best part. You don't need to give us your name, phone number, or email. You just create 16 seed words and that's your login, that's all. ProtonMail asks you for emails, Gmail reads your messages, and what about NeuroMail? We can't read them even if we want. Everything is encrypted in your browser before it leaves your computer to our servers. And now the most special one is the Quantumography. Quantumography lets you hide files inside images. Yes, you heard it right. You take a file, it can be a document, maybe video, maybe text file, maybe zip file. You encrypt it and hide inside a normal photo. It opens like a normal photo, but inside in the binary code, your secrets is hidden. Nobody can see it, nobody can find it, no scanning software and not anyone. It is invisible storage, perfect if you need to keep sensitive files completely hidden. The third tool is Resonance. It's a big one, so I will make a separate video about it. But there is the idea. Resonance is an anonymous messenger. You can sending messages, you can make calls, you can send money with cryptocurrency, you can make escrow with other users. All completely anonymous, nobody knows who you are, and nobody trace you. More details coming in the next video, but now in the description you have link to this project. Now let's talk about NeuroCoin. NeuroCoin is our cryptocurrency, but it's different than other crypto. Here is why. Every tool in Neuronus Computing makes money. People pay for subscription, we have percentage from the escrow, they pay premium features. What happened with all this money? It goes to the NeuroCoin pool. The coin's value is backed by real profits. Not speculation, not hype, just real money from real services. As Neuronus grow, the coin grow. It's simple math. Most crypto has no real value behind it. NeuroCoin does. Encryption. This is not tool which gives profits to the Neuronus Computing, but is very important part of our projects. Encryption process makes you hidden and it keeps you in secure sphere. Our encryption system covering symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Why does that mean in so simple words? Yes, we run the servers, we store your encrypted files, but we cannot open them. We cannot open, we cannot read it, we don't have access to them. Only you have the key. The encryption happens in your browser, on your computer, before anything reaches to our server. If you want all technical details, check our official GitHub page. The link is in the description. Trust me, this is proof that your data are safe, and I decided to make encryption process, the symmetric and asymmetric, publicly and as an open source. And that's the first part. We cover NeuroMail, encrypted email with AI solution, Quantumography, where you can hide your files inside the images, Resonance, anonymous messaging and calls, NeuroCoin, crypto backed by real profits, and our encryption system. But Neuronus has more tools: NeuroDrive, NeuroPassword, NeuroBrowser, Ghost Transfer, and more. I will talk about them in part 2. If you want true privacy, if you want real control on your data, check the link below. Thanks for watching and see you in part number 2. Bye.